Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best e-bike conversion kit in this video? I will show you the top 5 best e-bike conversion kit to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Varstrom Mid-Drive Motor. Specifications: brand name Varstrom, size 700C, mounting position mid-drive, design brushless, wattage 501 to 1000 watts, voltage 48 volts, motor side hung motor, power 750 watts, max torque 130 Nm, max speed 43 km per hour, waterproof IP66, weight about 4 kilograms, no load speed 120 revolutions per minute, warranty 1 year. Number 4 is Bafang BBSHD. Specifications: brand name Bafang, size 700C, mounting position side hung motor, design brushless, wattage 501 to 1000 watts, voltage 48 volts, motor side hung motor, max speed 50 to 55 km per hour, max torque 120 Nm, motor size 68 mm, 100 mm optional, battery option 13Ah, 16Ah, 18.2Ah, 20Ah, 25Ah, 30Ah, battery cycling life about 1000 plus times, warranty 2 years. As the item number 3 we've selected, CSC Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Specifications: brand name CSC, voltage 48 volts, motor brushless non-gear hub motor, wattage 1000 watts to 1500 watts, motor dropout front 100 mm, rear 135 mm, origin China. Number 2 is Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Specifications: brand name Kuan-Ray, design brushless, voltage 36 volts to 48 volts, motor brushless gear hub motor, power 250 to 1500 watts, installation rear or front, size 20 inch to 29, 700C, thumb throttle, Wuxing 130X, origin China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Bafang Engine Motor Kit. Specifications: brand name Bafang, mounting position mid-drive, design brushless, wattage 501 to 1000 watts, motor side hung motor, power 250 watts to 1000 watts, reduction ratio 1 minute and 21.9 seconds, waterproof grade IPX5, motor operation temperature minus 20 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, warranty 2 years.